Assalamualaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing well. I know I am sitting in a position in which you cannot see me properly, but I will sit on my chair. Well, hope so. Let's see who is going to see us, and anyone who is watching, please comment that you can see us properly and you can hear us properly. Right now, me only. So it's been long time we're not coming live on Muslim Mom Group, and yes, now I can see many people are coming. Assalamualaikum Nida, Assalamualaikum Ajra, and the other people who are watching. I cannot see your name. Please comment if you can hear me and see me properly. Sorry, Summer.
That's okay. I'm good.
Okay, it's okay. You're gonna see her again. And if you can hear me properly, and we have a special announcement today, and I'm going to tell you later. Before, you all know that I host Chai Time show on every Thursday at 10:30 a.m. But today, it's not only me. It's Iram Zara, the admin of the team, Summer, the chef, and also the host.
Hello,
and
everyone.
it's Sana Taimur. Well, let me know if you can hear me properly. So we're gonna start. Assalamualaikum Amna, kaisi ho? Aapki tabiyat kaisi hai? Okay, I'm going on my seat, and we're gonna talk about. Now we are having a chit-chat Chai Time show with Summer, chef and host, and Iram Zara, the admin of the team and all-rounder of our all groups. So if you can hear properly, please let us know. And then we're gonna start and make special announcement. Thank you so much everyone who are watching us, and we're gonna start. Now I'm going to hand over to Iram. Iram, now you also make live announcement, and there are so many people who are watching us. Thank you so much. Yes, Assalamualaikum Iram, how are you?
Walaikum assalam. I'm good. Sana, how are you?
Oh, it's quite surprising that हमें Iram का interview लेना पड़ रहा है. Okay, Iram. So we are having so many products in front of us, as you all can see. So any guesses what are we going to talk about and which brand we are going to talk about? I cannot see anyone's comment. If you can comment, so we know that you know the topic and what we are discussing about. Okay. So Iram, would you like to make the announcement, the special announcement?
So I'm going to wait for a little bit to see if anybody can answer your question about the brand that we are going to talk about today. But basically what we wanted to, okay, so we got an answer from Fatima. She said Taza.
Yes.
The right answer. Very good. So yeah, so
आपको भी giveaway दिया जाए Fatima. So should we give you something from these products? Now, okay, now guess the product one, which is on the table, not the oil from this.
because it is super huge.
Yes,
yeah?
it's super huge and everyone can guess this. The things which are flat on table.
Yes, so
Tell the name
guess
of
one of them at least.
Guess one of them, maybe you can win. Well,
Yes.
This is all Chef Summer's product.
They're so
But on behalf of Chef Summer
I
product,
can give some. Yeah. Okay, but the announcement that we wanted to make, and you can meanwhile guess what is there on the table right now related to Taza, the brand of Taza, was related to Ramadan, because as you know, Ramadan is going to start in 2 weeks, and Summer over here and Sana, they regularly do lives with us on our page and on our group with different guests, and Summer also does live cooking shows that all of you love because she creates amazing recipes and she has very awesome cooking techniques. So in the month of Ramadan, we are going to do special recipes for you related to iftar and sahur. And Summer is going to tell you how to use the products of Taza brand to make your cooking experience a lot more easier and convenient. And we're going to share a little bit of information about what is in store when it comes to the recipes and the programs we're going to do during Ramadan and a little bit before Ramadan as well to help you prepare for Ramadan. So Summer, what are your plans?
So first off, I'm really thankful to the brand and to you as well for beautiful intro and saying beautiful things about my cooking and everything.
it's so good.
Thank you so much. So also very thankful and humble to have this brand on board. So guys, the whole idea was to share some quick recipes from the products we already have, like how we can recreate the recipes from these products and make the cooking experience a bit easier and quicker for you. Especially in the month of Ramadan, we focus more on ibadah and we have to find ways to, you know, pay less time in the kitchen and more for ibadah. So I came up with this idea only because I wanted to create the recipes which are quicker, easier, and I would say good for freezing as well. So it's kind of blend of everything. Some are suitable for freezing, some are just like a quick 5-minute, 10-minute recipe. It's ready in very short time, yet very tasty. No compromise on taste, of course. So this is the whole idea, guys. Inshallah, in the month of Ramadan and before that, inshallah, we will use these products and recreate recipes which are super simple, easy and delicious.
Because she is saying all these things because she is a chef, and the people like me who don't even want to get up and take out the naan and make it hot on the tawa, no way.
Yes.
I am a person to open it, put it in a microwave and take it back. Or the extreme laziness is don't eat.
Oh my
So,
god.
well, this is for me only, right? Now somebody is saying super simple recipe with taza products. Okay, she can make it. What about us? I would never go, oh my, I can see this dish, chicken koftas for sure. It looks so good. But the thing is that who is going to make this? And who is going to make this? But there is a recipe at the back that is super easy, which can totally, I can relate myself that I can make it. So the people who are like me, who don't even want to see the kitchen face, but they can make this. Trust me, she loves kitchen, but I'm not a person. But after watching Taza products, there are so many products. It's super easy that you can go, and it's, I think, ready to eat only. It's preheat also, and pan fry, and there are so many recipes. But Summer, she's going to make much more super simple, easy recipe. So stay tuned. We're gonna come in live with simple recipes also, and Summer is going to cook, and I'm going to eat. Thank you, Summer. now tell us all about other. Okay, one more thing. The Taza Products is having whole wheat naan also,
Yes.
like and white naans, white wheat.
Yeah, their range of naan and rotis are amazing. Like, it's a huge variety, and whatever your family preferences, you can pick, according to your need. And of course, you can create and recreate recipes after recipes, quick, easy. Even you can involve your kids. It's that simple.
That's good, by the way.
Because the main the raw ingredient you already have in front of you, so you can quickly recreate something quick, easy, and involve your kids as well. Because as we all know that the kids are home most of the time, so we have to find the ways to sort of get them involved in Ramadan vibe and keep it sort of entertaining, because they are missing out on so many things because of the whole situation.
Yeah.
So I think cooking is something which
Brings the family
exactly,
together.
Exactly.
Yes, and so Taza makes the experience very, very simple, because a lot of things are pre-made. As an example, and we were discussing this because personally I'm not a big fan of pre-fried onions at all. But the onions that the product that Taza has is a really good product, because their onions are not coated, and the packaging that they have is really good. So it keeps the onions fresh, right? Yeah. So you can see this. It keeps the onions fresh, and it's a Ziploc bag. So you open it, and then you
Don't
can
see
seal
my
it again.
face. Look. It's really good. It's non-coated fried onion, and it's by Taza, and you can see that's a silver. I have seen this packaging first time,
Yes,
because other
yes.
I have
For
seen
fried
that.
onions, no.
Yeah.
It's just a simple plastic
Mostly,
bag.
yeah, that's
Or
a plastic bag.
a jar, but then
Jar?
yeah,
Yeah,
like
I've never
a
seen
plastic, but not for
It's
desi
a very
products.
high quality packing.
Those
Yeah,
onions
you
are
can see
horrible,
that.
the ones in the jar.
Okay, I have not seen the jar one, but yes, for sure I have seen the transparent packing, but I have never seen this silver packing, and it's like airtight.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah,
You can
that's
lock
it.
it again after using it.
Okay, Fatima, where can we get this? We can get this from any grocery stores,
Iqbal Foods.
Iqbal Foods,
Also
and
from their website. Their
Tezmart.
website has a huge...
Tezmart, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
Tezmart. Okay, so Tezmart is also delivering Taza products, and Iqbal Foods and other also grocery stores, all the Pakistani Indian grocery stores are having Taza products,
Yes.
and even you can order from their website. And one more thing, there are some few products which are frozen. That's also available on Taza Chai Wala.
Yeah, and they have prepared products and ready to eat as well.
Ready to eat as well, which may be not available on Iqbal Food on other group, other stores, sorry, but it's available on Taza Chai Wala. I think it's on Winston Churchill, and there is one more location also. Yeah, and Danda. So that's really good. I have bought lots of stuff from there, and this is really good packaging. You can see that.
Right. So that's just one product because fried onions is something that you use in most of the cooking that we do.
Every day almost. Yes. Almost every day.
Again, who don't want to stand 10 minutes or 5 minutes in front of the stove?
Just to fry onions?
Yes.
Sana definitely doesn't.
And sorry, forget about frying. First, the cutting comes.
Yeah.
That's the most horrible experience.
Yes.
Frying.
You are chef. Come on, Samar. Someone cannot say that. By the way,
No, I hate cutting onions.
Most people don't like it.
How do you do that?
That's true. Most people don't like it.
Okay, as we all know, we don't have any kind of help here. We all are ourselves self-made. So Summer is amazing, but trust me, to cut onions and to make them try, it's a mentally torture. And it's not for 5 minutes; it's a 10 minutes mentally torture. And for that, I would highly recommend this. The people who are lazy like me, lazy folk like me, they can use this one. And Summer, one question from you.
Sure.
As it's a chai time show with Taza and Summer and Inam, what can you make this things with naan? The white naan.
Yeah. So
Not to eat only with salan and
No, there are lots of things you can
what
do.
can we do?
Okay, so these naan are really forgiving and very versatile. We can create instant naan pizzas with these, and we can create Mediterranean version of manaish. I think those people who are from Middle East, they know what manaish is, and you can make really quick manaish with this. The spelling says manakish, but K is silent in it, and it's called as manaish. And manaish is like with meat or cheese or with za'atar.
It's very tasty, but different from pizza,
yes,
right?
exactly.
It's Mediterranean flavor.
Yes, it's amazing with olive oil. So you can literally, because the
And
bread is the main thing which takes all the time.
Yeah.
Manaish, like the end product, doesn't really take much time, but if you have the ready bread, you can easily make a manaish out of it, and you can create some, taco, like Mexican version with these naans.
Really? How?
Yeah. Like with the Mexican filling, you can make a wrap kind of thing, or you can
Like
just sort
basically fill them.
it can open up as well. There are two options. You
Pockets.
can open up, you can make the pocket and put the filling inside, or you can literally just fold it like in a V
burrito.
shape, like a burrito, and just grill it on a grill pan, and it's gonna get crispier and really like nice texture, and then you can enjoy it in a car.
She's going to make for sure. My dear. Next week I'll be here with Summer having chai time show instead of Thursday. On Tuesday I'll be here eating so many stuff with these naans. Recreation of the naan and this naan.
Because we don't have much time, guys. After that there will be fasting. So
we will try. We will try to have some more recipes,
Yes,
right?
yes.
And I'm going to eat here, make live videos of with Summer for sure.
Yes.
And we can make fajita rolls.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, so
we
that's
can
also
create
Mexican.
Mexican version. Yes.
Mexican, you can do. And okay, so some other recipes which are which you can look forward to. I think next week Summer is doing some amazing recipes that basically you can create and then put in your freezer for iftar or suhoor. Can you tell us more about that?
Yeah, so I was thinking because next week, inshallah, we will be getting even closer to Ramadan. So I will be sharing the recipe of, you can say, parcels or wraps, because we all eat samosas all the time. So I just wanted to share some different version of that samosa patti, which we call back home manda patti as well. So those filo pattis or those coverings, I'll show you how to make parcels and how to freeze them. So you just have to sort of take them out and fry at the time of iftar, or even if you don't want to fry, you can also bake it with some spray of oil. If you are watching your calories and you don't want to have deep fried food, then you can bake it as well. So it's totally up to you. it's like good both ways. So I'm gonna explain to you both the versions, and inshallah we will recreate some recipes with puff pastry as well.
Oh, they're having puff pastries also.
Yes,
Yes.
that's the puff pastry. That's a strudel.
That's
That's
good.
a,
Oh, okay.
that's a strudel. That's a puff
So
pastry.
the puff pastry is basically what everybody loves, the chicken patties.
Yeah, right.
So that is what you make the puff. That is what you make the patties with. But you have some different
Oh,
ideas, right?
yeah, here it is.
Puff
Yeah.
pastry, right? So they have puff pastry sheets which are, of course, halal because it's Taza brand
Yeah.
and good quality, and you can create some frozen items. So Summer is going to share some recipe
Yeah.
with you for that as well.
I would love to share the recipe of
Spinach and cheese.
casserole or pot pie with this.
Yeah,
Chicken pot pie.
Yeah.
chicken pot pie.
Okay,
You
when
can
are you
make.
making?
Inshallah.
sometime next month. We can't make so
Yeah.
many recipes at the same
Yeah.
time, but there are lots of ideas that you can use because this is very convenient. You don't need to make your own pastry sheets. You can just use the puff pastry.
Thank you, Aisha. I'm reading your comments.
Yeah.
Salam, ladies. Sorry, I find no problem. Okay. Well, everyone have their own preferences.
Yeah, if somebody enjoys
Yes.
slicing and frying fresh onions, by all means go and do
Go
it.
ahead,
But
yeah.
there are people who don't, and it's great for them that there is this option. Like I said, I don't recommend fried onions myself, but these are good quality, so you can try them and see if you like them. They're better than what is there out in the market right now.
We will never recommend you a product which we don't like ourselves. So I would say these onions are tried and tested. I have used them, and when they go in curry or on top of rice or halim or whatever we are making, honestly it feels like it's freshly fried. It's that good.
What about biryani? So
Yes.
I have seen people putting the
Yeah.
brown onions
Yes.
on only for the dressing.
This is perfect for biryani. This is perfect for halim. Like what
the topping.
for the garnish or topping, this is
Because they're
perfect.
crispy.
Yeah, and
The
they're
onions
not
deep fried,
coated.
then
They're
they're
not
crispy.
coated, and they hold their shape. Like the
Yeah.
coated ones, they are like really
Oh my God, they're
crumbly and
disgusting.
The smell is
powdery.
not good.
No, the flavor is not good either. Another recipe that I wanted to talk about, as Sana mentioned, the chicken koftas. So, of course, I mean, the simple thing is that you just reheat the koftas and you use them as a curry with roti.
Yeah.
But Summer had a great idea to transform the koftas and make something new with that. So, Summer.
So yeah, I think most of you know what moti pulao is. Moti pulao is a delicacy, and it's a beautiful, delicious rice with small meatballs. So I thought that how about recreating moti pulao with this product. So inshallah I will be sharing recipe of moti pulao with these koftas, and inshallah you will love the recipe, and you can definitely enjoy it in sometime in iftar when you are not focusing on fried stuff and you want like main dinner, or maybe Eid.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
So-
that's.
What
that's
about you
perfect.
people? Do you do iftari first, or I have seen in many families what they do is they make only two dishes for iftar, which is mainly dahi baras
Snacks, yeah.
or
Samosa.
And a
pakoras,
main dish.
pakora.
Yeah, and main dish.
And they have like two khane ki dishes, right?
Yeah.
The dinner thing, main meal. So what about you? I don't know. People who are watching, you can also
Do comment, guys.
Do comment that what do you do? Do you have the dinner and iftar together, two dishes, or you first do iftar, then after tarawih you do dinner? So what is the concept in your families? We would love to take your advice also, and according to your advices also, we can say to Summer, she's gonna
For sure.
yeah,
For
she's
sure.
gonna make something like, if you do more of the dinner dishes, she can also give the recipes for dinner dishes. And if you eat iftar first and you make more things in iftar, we can focus on iftar recipes also. So that would be great. And in suhoor, I think mostly we eat parathas. If we are talking about suhoor, why not to talk about taza parathas?
Yes.
Okay,
That's very good.
so I remember back home in Pakistan, our moms or the cooks they make fresh parathas when they make like at suhoor time. So why not to use this taza? I think over here we don't have much time to make suhoor and
This is very
parathas.
quick.
And if the family,
tasty.
and if family members are more, it's very difficult to make 10, 20 or 15 parathas or 5 parathas at a time. This is the best I have tried, tested. As I already told you, I have no interest in cooking, but ready to eat products is
Yes.
the best for me. For you also, I think so.
So Sana, what have you tried these parathas with already?
Okay, so I'll let you know. Don't make fun of me, okay? So I have tried this paratha. You have already seen my health. I make this with butter. First I defrost it at night time, or uske baad, then afterwards I make it with butter and eat with shami kebab and achar. I don't know if you like it or no, but it's the best combination with the parathas and shami kebab and
Omelette,
Omelette?
fried egg,
Yeah.
Fried egg.
anything you eat paratha with, right?
But still now, as my own experience, I have tried with shami kebab and achar. Oh my god, out of this world. Okay, Aisha Khan says, I love these parathas. I also have stocked them. Oh, this paratha is... Yes, Aisha, thank you. Yes, it's best with
Yeah,
achar.
Aisha agrees that they're good with achar.
Yes, sure, me and Summer is the best cook. That's why every week I'm going to come to her.
Yeah.
Don't worry. And with the, okay, and other thing is that especially with the kids, they are very much picky. But my son loved these parathas, and there is one more whole wheat homemade parathas of Taza product.
And straight.
We don't have on the table, but for sure it's available in the market. Oh my god, it's so good. And my son loved this with omelette. And he also eats mirchi wali cheezein, the masala things. I have tried with summer cheese kebab too. Yeah, summer is amazing. Summer recipes are
and so
too
simple.
good.
So simple.
So
Even Sana,
simple.
you can cook them. Although you
I did not posted the video of chicken
Yeah, she made
bihari
it.
masala. I
Yeah.
gave the coal
smoke, yeah.
coal smoke,
I saw the
and
pictures.
I made the video because I make whenever I cook, I make videos to put it in a history of my calendar. So that I will never lie for that. So whenever I make food or chai, I always make videos. So I make the chicken bihari masala and I made
It looks so tempting.
homemade
Yum.
rotis
Wow.
myself. So it's in the history I have written that.
Yeah.
I am a winner. I made your book, guys.
Yeah,
Can
wow,
you
that's
imagine?
a huge achievement for Sana to do that, and for Summer to inspire Sana to do this.
Okay, listen, I didn't bring them on camera so they can tell my lazy things because I'm active everywhere. Now they are saying I don't cook. Obviously, I cook.
Of
but
course.
sometimes.
But sometimes, yeah.
But it's okay. One meal can be used for 2 days. You can make extra food. Like this. Look, chicken koftas. Taza, thank you so much for introducing this product. We can make this once and like make all of them, use it for 2 times.
Yes,
Easy.
but it's
Because
Koftas take time
hard to make koftas otherwise, right?
It's kind of
Yeah.
lengthy. It's
Yeah.
kind of lengthy.
And to be very honest, I used my from the Google recipes. I made them, and I don't know why it was not coming in a round chair. It was breaking out. I don't know where the meat was going. I don't know where the
That's the
masala was
trickiest
going.
part I find with the kofta.
Whenever you put it,
Yeah.
it's like break a broke.
And someone is just laughing at us right now.
And I was like, what's going on? Is it a meatball? No, acha,
I think we should have a show. Sana's adventures in the kitchen.
Misadventures.
And I was like, I don't know where it is going. It's like breaking. And when, okay, if it's in a round shape, you make it for curry, it's breaking out. I was like, oh my god.
And if you
after
use
that-
these, that's how it happens. So Sana can make koftas with this.
That's why thank you to Taza and
Yeah.
if any one of you watching. If not, then you can share with Taza like us lazy poke. Trust me, I can make this. For sure, it's not gonna break down. But I don't
Okay,
know, as a chef, I can do that too.
For sure. So Sana, Summer, I wanted to ask you, we have something called a strudel here.
Yeah, strudel. I have heard this
What is that?
first time.
Can you tell us what this is?
So a strudel is basically made with either filo pastry or puff pastry, and it's filled with apple sauce. So there are different ways of cooking the apple.
It's only apple and cheese.
Not really cheese, apple and cinnamon and brown sugar. It's cooked with that and filled in the
Pastry.
filo pastry or puff pastry, and then ideally we serve it with some kind of really creamy custard or fresh cream. So I have decided that I'm gonna share the recipe of creamy custard, homemade custard from the scratch. To serve with strudel, because it is a great combo
Yeah.
of creamy custard or even homemade ice cream.
So we can only put the apples, or we can put something else too.
So,
That's already there in the strudel.
Really? Yes, it's already there.
The strudel is ready.
Strudel is ready.
Someone's going to tell you how to serve it
Yes.
with something to make it a
I
even
just
better
have to
dessert.
bake it.
Yeah.
I'll just bake it because
That's it.
And
Yes,
it turns
that's
out really rich and nice.
I have to be very honest. Sorry guys, I have never seen this because I'm not a dessert person.
Yeah.
Meetha person, yeah. Sweet person, I'm not. But
So it's basically like apple pie,
Okay.
right?
Yes,
so
yes.
if you must have had like there are places which serve apple pie, right?
but it's
Now-
kind of
yeah.
folded.
Yeah, in a different shape. Now the good thing is that when you bake it, basically you're serving a really fresh dessert
Okay, so
because
it's ready.
ready to bake.
It's
You
ready
have to
to
bake
bake.
it.
That's
Yes.
it, nothing else. Because
And then Summer is going to tell us how to make it even tastier
Yeah.
by adding
Like fancier and
yeah.
like a proper dessert on the table after your
Look.
dinner.
well, it's ready to bake.
Yeah,
Whoa,
so
whoa,
it's-
whoa, whoa.
you don't really
It looks
because
so
obviously
good. It looks so good. Look.
hard to make a dessert like this yourself, right?
Yeah, it's not possible. Okay, so she also, yes, Aisha, Summer do live cooking every Tuesday,
Tuesday morning.
muslimmom.ca. Summer, do you have any Facebook page?
I have my own page. I have a YouTube channel.
So,
YouTube channel.
Yes.
Summer has a website if anybody wants to go and
Yes.
look at recipes. It's called summercooks.com.
Yes.
Summercooks.com. She will share the link
Summercooks.com.
later.
Okay, she's going to
We can
link.
share the links, guys. And
Thank you,
when
Aisha.
we are done, we will post the links, and you can enjoy the recipes on the website and on YouTube channel as
Absolutely.
well.
Whatever recipes Summer has shared up till now in her lives, you can, if you want them in writing to follow them, you can
They're
go
all
to
there.
summercooks.com or muslimmoms.ca. We share the recipes as well. They're
Yes.
they're on both the websites, and we'll share the links with you later.
So you will not miss. You will not miss out
any
on
of
the
the
recipes,
exactly.
even if you're not able to join the live. It's
Yeah.
always there in form of text, in form of recorded videos on YouTube, on muslimmoms.ca's website, on my website. So guys, you will never
Every
miss out.
recipe,
Every recipe is
which
Yes.
is live, it's also on your website.
Absolutely, yeah.
Everything.
And with video.
Okay, let me tell you one thing. I am again a lazy person. I asked someone masala, which masala I have to put that, which is the garam masala and the chicken bihari. I was so, afterwards I was so embarrassed that there was a live video. Go and see because it's there. Why to call someone? I know she's my friend and she's 24/7 available for me, but that's really rude, by the way. And I said, someone, okay, the chicken bihari is done, but you don't post the recipe of tomato chutney. Tomato ki chutney, how do you make it? Tell me the most easiest way. And trust me, she gave me that, and it's still in the fridge. I made like a huge amount.
That chutney is
Again,
amazing.
I don't want to go in the kitchen. I feel mentally sick when I go in the kitchen. So I made a huge amount of tomato chutney. It was so easy. Then afterwards, I was like, Summer, it's not available on the muslimmom.ca. And she goes like, because I did not made it.
Yeah, I did
So
not.
that's
I will, inshallah.
I know.
I will.
Okay, I can cook for sure because I made it that day. She's not even done live with that. Okay, so what people are saying, I love her chicken cheese kebab. They are easy to make, and now yeah, that's so good. Yes, Summer will make more of the recipes also, and yes, you can try our recipes. It's amazing, super amazing. Okay, so
Thank you so much, everyone who have
Yes.
commented and joined the conversation. I really appreciate it.
And
Thank
let me
so
tell
much.
you, I am the luckiest one because I have tried so many dishes with Summer made, and it's amazing, too good. Even if you
Aw,
eat
so sweet
the
of you.
normal omelette, which I make it have salt, zada ya kam, and then the chili.
That's not true. Actually, Sana is just is being funny. I have
Yeah,
tasted
she
her
is.
cooking, and she's really good as
She
well.
is quite
So,
good. She makes
She is.
perfect
She's just
chicken salad.
making
Yeah.
things up right now. She's really good. She's a good cook, and she just wants to.
No,
make
I know she is my boss. Sometimes she's really sweet, which I cannot digest easily. And you people must be thinking they are not having chai, and I am having chai
because we finished our chai.
Because it's
finished
finished,
already.
and the thing is that it's chai time show with Sana Temu, so
Yes,
that's
no.
why they are not having
Only
it.
Sana can have chai.
I
at a
can
time.
only
Chai
have
time.
chai.
We are deprived of chai.
Yes. They are not allowed because they are only guests, so that's why. And the last thing I would highly recommend, which I I think used this 2 or 3 days before.
Yeah, you have tried this?
Oh yes.
Okay.
Yes. That was for the moms.
Yeah.
The
Pulao
kids.
noodles.
Yeah, moms. I will tell you the simplest thing which my kids love the other brand noodles, which I have to cook like I make 5 to 10 minutes. But this one I got and it's so good. It also have beef flavor. That's beef maza. And inside the, can I open it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. If you don't mind.
No, that's fine, totally.
I'll eat
It will
it.
take a long time for you to open it.
No. When
Wow,
it's
look at how quick it is.
when it's sorry Samir, when it's ready to eat for sure. Okay, so they have given this sauce.
So that's a...
That's a garlic.
No, that's the
I
spice
mean,
for the
That's
flavor.
a- no, they have one more flavor. That's masalas. Okay, well, there is one this pack. Then there is pack of this, and it's already inside and a
I love
masala.
these cups for traveling.
Okay.
Although we are not traveling.
And here you go.
Good for traveling.
That's true.
The packing is so good. I have used this for my son,
Wow. You can
and
like-
he loved it.
There's
And
a fork in it as well. But please take out the fork before you put the water.
yeah.
You have to take out these things.
And I just put the I did the laziness of me. I did the water in the kettle, the
Yes,
chai
it's
kettle.
hot water, boiling
Yeah,
water, that's
boiling
it.
water, and that's it. Put that, put these all things, and that's it. And cover it with like cover for
The lid.
three. Yeah.
You can take somewhere.
Yeah, and you
Yeah.
can take somewhere. And my son was like, "Can I take to school?" I was like, "No, you cannot take it to school. Eat at home." But it's so good and it's so simple, easy. Instead of taking out the pans and making them, it's the best thing for especially for kids and for us for the movie snacks, late time snacks.
Yeah, or if you're going somewhere where you are not sure if
Yes.
you're going to get halal food,
Yes,
you can just
it's the best
get
one.
No,
these.
that's a very important point. That there was a time when we used to search for halal products so much, and it was such a pain in the neck to sort of search for good halal products. But
Yeah.
alhamdulillah, now
good
since
quality.
the community is building more and more,
Yes.
we are getting so much variety of our halal options. Like even in puff pastry, I remember like few years back, it was so hard to find halal puff pastry. There was
Absolutely.
always an ingredient which was like
You never
doubtful.
know with puff pastry
Yes,
stuff.
yes, there
Yeah.
was always a doubt. So alhamdulillah, now since we have such a huge community, we should be thankful that we have so much variety
Yeah.
and we can pick whatever our need is. Alhamdulillah.
Yeah, and especially credit goes to Taza for launching so many different products which we can be confident that they are halal,
Yeah.
because it is a halal brand, and that gives us a lot of variety and a lot of authentic desi flavors like samosas and
I
namak
tried
pare.
samosa.
Namak
Yeah,
pare. Like
namak
that's a very
pare is so
Pakistani
good.
snack.
And to be very honest, as we all ladies, we are everyone living in Canada. But trust me, at the end of the day, we need Pakistani taste in every food, even it's a naan. We say, oh, ye to
It's not the
tandoori
same.
naan.
Yeah.
Ye tandoori naan hai, but it does not have that taste. Come on, that's naan and
Yes.
it's pan. But these products for sure have Pakistani taste. If you have it at back of your mind, it's like, oh, it's the taste of Pakistan ka khana, right?
Yeah.
So it's like that. But these products are not even a quarter of the Taza products.
Absolutely.
And if you even count on your fingers, there are so many products that the fingers is going to be finished. But the
Just to
counting
give
is
you
not
an
gonna-
idea, just for
Yes,
the flatbreads, Taza has almost 24
24?
varieties of flatbread, and one of the things that I saw was the Kandhari naan, which is like this big in size.
Oh
and I
my
was
god, that's
surprised
so big.
that it is there in the frozen
Yes.
option. Sana, what do you think about it?
Okay, so yesterday I tried Kandhari naan because I was so hungry. I didn't take the pictures and videos, but that was so good. I just it was the frozen one.
Yes.
So I just defrosted it, and afterwards I made it with the desi ghee because it's so big. I have to cut in a small piece, and I did make it hot with the desi ghee on the tawa. And
Yum.
and I ate it. I made the shami kebabs again. Shami kebab is my favorite. So
Yeah,
I made
so good.
Yeah, I ate it with that. It was so good. It was at like 2 a.m. maybe because I was working, and it was so good. Kandari, it was giving a touch of a tandoori roti, which we eat in Pakistan.
And did it taste fresh?
Yes, because
Perfect.
the
No,
best
the
is
key is to warm it up
Yes.
correctly.
Ah,
And if you
I
don't
see.
do that,
Okay.
And
then
if
you
it's
will
not
get it.
defrosted like
Yes.
properly. properly, it's never the taste is same. Because obviously we have too less time, especially over here. We have so much on our head and on our plates that we have, so we don't care. We just put it in a microwave, make it like defrost. Like many people do that. I have seen many people doing that in 10 seconds or 15 seconds. They just defrost in that and then they make it. No, I swear the taste is never be the same. I know I'm not a good cook, but for sure for this,
So what's the best way, Samar, to heat up any kind of frozen flatbread?
So if it's frozen, then just put it on a low flame on whatever pan you're using. It can be tawa, it can be regular non-stick pan, whatever your pan is. Just give it some time to get softened on a low flame, because what happens is that when you are in a hurry and the flame is high, it doesn't get soft. It won't get soft enough to give the fresh taste. So the only difference, for example, for these kind of naan, if you are in a hurry, of course it's not frozen, so it can stay in fridge. When you once open it, you can just throw it in the fridge. But if you kind of make it a little moist, like a sprinkle of water and sprinkle of oil, I bet you this is gonna taste amazing, soft and fresh. Some water, some oil for these kind of naan, not for the frozen ones. Frozen just go as is on pan on a low flame and let it stay there for a few minutes so that it gets tender and soft and feels fresh. But for these kind of naans, just try the sprinkle of water and little bit of olive oil or whatever oil you're using, and it's gonna get super soft and you will feel like it's really fresh, like you made it right now. That kind of
Can I share one message?
Sure.
Okay, again, please, if you like it, then try it, otherwise don't. Taza is having a kulcha frozen, right?
Yeah.
Frozen
Oh,
kulcha.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
It's with the sesame seeds, that kulcha. There are 2 or 3 types of kulchas, but the sesame seeds one kulcha
Are the best.
Okay, so let me tell you what I did. Sorry, Samar, if I'm telling the
Wrong.
wrong recipe, but I tried for myself specifically. I just defrosted it like for 1 hour and I did my work. After 1 hour, I again dip it into full water, the hot warm water, for a second like this and like this. That's it, because it was already defrosted. And put the butter and oil, I put like 1 teaspoon of butter, 1 teaspoon of desi ghee, and I just put it that naan with the sprinkle, not the sprinkle of water, but I dip in the water. Oh my god, that was so good. And even I posted the video of that. I posted the pictures of that, and trust me, every person on my timeline, it was like, where did you get these fresh kulcha naan?
I'll have to
And
try
I was like, really, people are saying me, where did you get it? No, I did not get it. That was, let me specifically clarify, that was frozen kulcha naans with the sesame seeds in a green packing of Taza, and that was so good. If you remember back home in Pakistan, when there was leftover naans from the evening and in the morning, our moms used to have with the oil, and they made us for the breakfast, school breakfast.
It's more of a thing in Punjab actually.
In Punjab, we do that.
And sheermal is a Karachi thing.
Sheermal. I also tried the sheermal with not the sprinkle. Again, I just dip into a lukewarm water. That's it. That's just a dip. And after that, just put it on the tawa. It's amazing. Try with butter, or maybe if you are olive oil person, or any type of oil.
Or ghee.
Or ghee. Yeah. To be very honest, I eat once a week, but I do it with ghee, right? So it's so good. You will trust me. You will give. Sorry, Samar again, but it's amazing. That the kulcha thing, because she said the sprinkle of water. I was like, I didn't dip it.
Yeah, so
that's something new for me.
I think there should be a lot of water there.
Rounding off the bread.
I didn't say that. Just dip it and make it wrong. No. Dip and dip, not soak there. But yes, that's why I'm saying sorry. But that was amazing. The kulcha with sesame seeds.
And it's gonna work for so many people, I guess.
Yeah, maybe. Well, I can do a small video with that Summer, and that was amazing. Only with chai. Oh, too good.
Yeah.
I think we have discussed a lot about food.
Yeah, I just wanted to tell people who are asking where they can get the products, specifically Taza products. So I find that the simplest way to order these is to just go to tezmart.ca and just place your order online. If you buy grocery worth $100, you would get free delivery, and it's delivery the same day within GTA. So it's very simple, very convenient. You can get the grocery for your entire month. Just go and order at Tezmart. All the products that we have discussed are there, but they don't just have Taza products. They have all kinds of amazing grocery items. You know, two things that I saw, somewhere we were discussing that day, you said that the best two atas are Pillsbury and Ashirwad, and I was happy to see that both the brands are there.
Yeah, Pillsbury,
sometimes you don't find those.
Yeah, Pillsbury mostly out of stock in many stores.
I love Pillsbury.
And yeah, Pillsbury, well, I also make roti, trust me. Fresh roti at home in parathas. But I also got the Taza, specifically I got the only Taza products from Tezmart. It was so good. They are so good in customer service. Before they were coming, they called me and then they delivered. And it was a
quick delivery.
Very quick delivery, and it was a huge box. But trust me, it was amazing. And when I opened the packaging, the packaging is so good. It's like very organized and manageable products. Yeah,
I'll try that too.
And another thing is the dals. Remember we were talking about that the dals are not tasty anymore?
Yes, exactly.
So I saw that all types of different dals, they have organic option on Tezmart, which you don't find in grocery stores otherwise. So if you're actually looking for good quality dals, you can find organic dals of all kinds of varieties, and the delivery will be free if you order for your whole month. That's for even $100.
$100 when we go to any type like Iqbal food,
you pay $100.
$100 is the minimum, to be very honest. If you do like
even for Ramadan groceries,
Yeah.
we need more stuff, and I guess we all.
And for Ramadan, one thing I remember as well as that they have a really great brand of dates which they have gotten from Saudi Arabia, because a lot of people are concerned.
That's also by Taza, right?
Yeah, it's not, doesn't say Taza, but it is on Tezmart.
Tezmart?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So people are concerned, they don't want to buy from Walmart and the bigger grocery stores because those are Israel products from Israel, and they would rather buy from Saudi Arabia. So Tezmart has the dates which are imported from Saudi Arabia. So
that's so good.
you can just add that to your order and get all your Ramadan groceries from Tezmart for the
That's
entire
good.
month.
Sit at home, order online, the food products are gonna be at home. And one more thing, it's not specific to the dry items. They are also delivering frozen.
Yes.
Because the one I received was having like more of the frozen.
The frozen meat like
Everything, the Taza stuff I received was mostly it was frozen. Kebabs,
Pizza,
samosas.
Yeah, they have nuggets, chicken strips.
Oh my god, you try the nuggets and the chicken strips. It's amazing.
Yeah.
So good.
What about the pizza? Tell us about the pizza.
Yes, I will post the videos. I made few videos because I did not got the time to post it. It was so good pizza. I think within 8 or 10 minutes, it was amazing. It was ready, and I tried the vegetable pizza of Taza.
So how was the quality? Because generally I don't like frozen pizzas. They are
it was
just
so
very
good.
strange.
Okay, let me tell you, I post the before picture and after picture. You could not recognize that was the same pizza.
Okay.
Because
it looked so fresh.
Because it's fresh.
The look. It's like, it's only 5 to 7 minutes maybe, which I did was, the crust was really good. Because I don't like thin crust. I like the thick, little bit thick crust.
Deep pan.
The deep pan one. But trust me, it does not like, if sometimes you cook it overcooked, because the quality is not good for the dough one if you buy from. That's why. But the Taza was really good.
Dough gets
That's
harder.
good.
Yes.
There is a huge difference in the quality.
I think the dough quality should be very good, which I have tried before, different brands, but that was not good.
Yeah.
So I stopped taking, like, especially the kofta.
Yeah, I gave up on frozen pizzas also.
And even the beef samosas,
Beef.
because when there's a specific smell of a beef,
Yes.
I'm very sorry, I never say
Aftertaste,
that.
yes.
Yeah, I never say that. I bought so many brands because my son is a huge beef keema samosas, right? He is so specific. It should be beef keema, not chicken keema. He immediately can taste that. No, it's not that. Mama, this is not the keema.
This is not
beef. Yeah, that's not the beef keema. But I have tried many other brands, but there is a specific smell which I don't like it. But I tried chicken samosa also and beef keema samosa. It's so good. You cannot, again, if you see the before and after one, you cannot tell that it's not homemade. And yesterday at Iqbal Foods, I have seen potato cutlets, which is like freshly baked, the bread coated one.
Yes, yes.
By Taza. They are having a huge plastic bag at Iqbal Foods. And it's so good, and it's spicy potato cutlets breaded at Iqbal Foods. It's really nice. I bought a huge pack of that.
That's the perfect item for iftar.
I think
Not the pack, this pack one. It was like in a bag. Yeah, because it have more of them. And potato cutlets. Oh my God! I'll make it and I'll post the video so they can know.
I think I have it in my freezer, and I'm thinking to
Perfect.
recreate a recipe with that.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Summer will make so many recipes, and I will be eating in front of you live, and you're gonna taste with me virtually because we cannot visit each other home, so that's why we can taste virtually now, audience. Inshallah, we'll be back next week, and inshallah, the other next week also with Summer, and I'll be coming live with surprising recipes with you and fun chit chat with her, and chai time show with Summer also, and inshallah with Iram again. Next week we'll see you soon, and if you have any advice for, if you want some specific recipes with naan, with kofta, with other anything,
you can post in comments.
Yeah, you can post in comments, and if you want any information or details about Taza specifically, do ask us, do ask Iram, Summer. We would be really happy to let you know. And yes, the products are available at every grocery store, Pakistani, Indian, and it is the main ready-to-eat food, the frozen food, and the ready-to-eat one. It's available at Taza, Chaiwala, Vincent Churchill, and Dandaz. And there is one more location. Sorry, I'm forgetting it. But there are lots of
post in comments later.
Yeah, I can post in comments, and for sure you're gonna try it and you're going to love it. And thank you so much for joining us and listening to my chit chat. And thank you so much.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. See you soon.
Bye guys.
Bye guys. I have to get up. They cannot. Okay, bye bye.